Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch LED TV. Here in this TV the fault is no display due to backlight related fault. Here total 3 LED strips are there. While checking with the LED checker most of the LED are burned, so it's better to replace entire LED strip with new one for avoiding future repetition in backlight fault. Here these are the 3 new LED strips. Each individual LED is of 3 volt. Now let's connect this new LED strip by replacing the old one. Now the installation is almost complete. We can put the diffuser sheets, panel frame, everything back to the TV. Now work is done. While checking here you can see now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.